Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a layer mask in Photoshop. So I will start by creating a new project and I will be using the size of a YouTube thumbnail. Choose the rectangle tool and draw the kind of shape you want. Make sure you change the fill color of the image to black. Hold Alt and click to create multiple. Press Shift and click on every image to match them together. Right click and click on Convert to Smart Object. Drag and drop the kind of image you want to use. Scale the image until you make sure it covers the whole space. Then right click and click on Create Clipping Mask.